today we're going to break down exactly how California schools get their funding.
It really comes down to one thing, where the money is coming from.
So think of it like you're filling a glass. There are two main ways to do it.
Let's start with the most common model, the Local Control Funding Formula, or LCFF.
First up, a district's own local property taxes get poured into their funding glass.
Then the state steps in and tops it off right up to a specific target amount. That target, it's the LCFF funding level, the state's minimum promise for each student. And on top of that, the state kicks in extra funding for students with higher needs.
Okay, so what's the catch with this system? Well, here's the thing. The big issue is the state funding isn't adjusted for how expensive some areas are. So that means a dollar just doesn't stretch as far in a pricier district.
Now for the other system. These are called community-funded or basic aid districts.
In these wealthier areas, local property taxes don't just fill the cup, they make it overflow.
And here's the kicker. The local district gets to keep all of that extra money.
So as property values shoot up, their funding does too. It's a massive advantage. And since they're already past the target, the state doesn't add any extra money. So let's put it all side by side. You can really see the huge differences here.
Why does all this matter? Well, this two-track system creates huge funding gaps across the state, which leaves us with a pretty big question about fairness in education here in California.